Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make AI films with the help of this free AI video generator. So let's dive right in. The name of the tool is Pixverse AI and here is the URL. With this AI video tool, you can transform your ideas into stunning visuals. Previously it was only available through Discord, but now they have launched the web version as well. Head over to pixverse.ai and then click on Get Started in Web. Sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you'll come to this page and here you will find all the creations done by other users. To start creating the videos, head over to the top right and then click on Create. In here there are two ways where you can generate the videos. The first one is through text and the other one is through images. Let's try with the text first. Enter your prompt. Alright, so I wrote a man emerges from the shadows. After that you can add negative prompts if you want. And there are three different styles. There is realistic, anime and 3D animation. Let's just go with realistic first and then choose our aspect ratio. Once you're done, just click on create. Now let's generate the same video in 3D animation and anime style as well. Alright, so our videos are ready. Let's check it out. So this is the realistic style. And this one is in anime. I really like this. And finally we have the 3D animation style. Alright, so out of 3 I really like the anime style. Alright, so now let's generate some more videos. Alright, so these are the videos that the AI has generated. This one is in realistic style. And this is the anime. And then we have the 3D animation style. Alright, so all the videos are pretty cool. Now let's try the image to video option. We have to upload our images from here. After that you can enter the prompt if you want, but I'll just leave it blank. And then you have the strength of motion. In here you can increase or decrease the motion of your video. I'll just go in the middle. And then we have the HD quality option. I would highly recommend to turn it on. And then click on create. Alright, so our video is ready. Let's try out with some other images. And here is the video. Alright, so now I'm gonna upload all my pictures. And then I'm gonna combine it together and make it into a trailer. So let me just quickly do that for you. Alright, so I've generated all the videos and now I'm going to use a video editing software and then combine all the clips together. For that I'm going to use CapCut and let me just quickly edit the clips for you. Alright, so there you have it folks. That was a quick overview on how you can make films and trailer with this free AI video generator. So do check out Pixverse AI, it's really awesome. I hope you find this video helpful and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.